Welcome, dear friends. In this video, we will delve into the incredible benefits of drinking olive oil, particularly when consumed in the morning or before sleep. A simple tablespoon of olive oil can work wonders for your health by preventing various disease symptoms and improving your overall well-being. Number 1. Protects against heart disease. Olive oil serves as a shield against heart disease. It reduces inflammation, safeguards cholesterol from oxidation, enhances blood vessel linings, and aids in preventing excessive blood clot formation. Additionally, it can lower blood pressure, a significant risk factor for heart disease and premature death. Number 2. Rich in healthy fats. Olive oil is abundant in healthy monounsaturated fats, making up 73% of its total content. This includes oleic acid, known for its anti-inflammatory properties. The presence of omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids further contributes to its heart-healthy profile. Number 3. Loaded with antioxidants. Aside from its beneficial fatty acids, olive oil contains essential antioxidants. These biologically active compounds can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, fight inflammation, and protect your blood cholesterol from oxidation. Number 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a root cause of various diseases, including cancer, heart disease, diabetes, and more. Extra virgin olive oil has been shown to effectively reduce inflammation, contributing to its numerous health benefits. Number 5. May help prevent strokes. Stroke is a leading cause of death in developed nations. Studies have revealed that olive oil, rich in monounsaturated fats, is associated with a reduced risk of stroke and heart disease. Number 6. Not associated with weight gain. Contrary to popular belief, olive oil consumption is not linked to weight gain. In fact, moderate intake may aid in weight loss and improve blood sugar and insulin sensitivity. Number 7. Potential to fight Alzheimer's disease. Olive oil contains compounds that may help remove beta-amyloid plaques, a key feature of Alzheimer's disease. Studies indicate that a Mediterranean diet rich in olive oil benefits brain function. Number 8. Treatment for rheumatoid arthritis. Olive oil supplements, particularly when combined with fish oil, show promise in improving inflammatory markers and reducing oxidative stress in individuals with rheumatoid arthritis. It can alleviate joint pain and stiffness. Number 9. Antibacterial properties. Olive oil contains nutrients that can inhibit or kill harmful bacteria, including Helicobacter pylori, which causes stomach ulcers and stomach cancer. Studies suggest it can help eliminate this infection in some individuals. Incorporating olive oil into your daily routine can have profound health benefits, ranging from heart disease prevention to Alzheimer's disease management. Remember to enjoy it responsibly, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching.